Trading with the same person as yesterday BC, they wanted to. If any of you guys want to trade, DM me, or if you're on YouTube, then I will reply to your comment. I will post a vid of my stock after this, so watch that. If you want to trade, by the way, I can trade for other brainrits.